Pico and the Golden Tail. Once I met a nice fish named Pico. We became friends and he would tell me stories about the coral and sea life. And one day, he told me a story about himself.
When I was born, I had no tail. I couldn't swim, but with the help of my friends, I could stay alive. They brought me food. At night, I would have dreams about having a golden tail. This tail would allow me to swim farther than a regular fish. Then one day, a strange fish came upon me.
Hello, I am a wish fish. I would grant you one wish.
I remembered all the dreams I had in the past about having a tail, and with all my heart I wished for a golden one. Then the strange fish swam away, and I had a golden tail. I was so excited. I went to go show my friends the next day. Hey guys, look! I have a golden tail! When my friends saw my tail, they got mad. Oh, so you think that you're better than us with your golden tail after all we've done for you? They went away, mumbling. I started to swim away, thinking. I didn't understand why they would think I wanted to be better than them or be mad. I reached to the surface of the ocean, and suddenly I heard some crying. I went to go see who it was. A fisherman was standing on the dock crying. I asked him what was wrong.
Oh, my dear little fish, my son is sick and I don't have the money to buy the medicine.
I felt so bad for the fisherman. I wanted to help him, and I had an idea. Here, take a piece of my golden tail.
How can I ever thank you? But look, your tail. Pico told me that where the gold on his tail had been, there was now a shiny black spot. After that, Pico went around giving pieces of his golden tail to people who needed them. Pico's tail gave a loaf of bread for a family to eat, a cow for a farmer, a wheel for a poor guy's broken bike, and a dress for a bride. At the end, Pico had given away all the gold on his tail, and now he had a full black tail. Pico wondered if his friends would be happy and welcome him now, and that he didn't have a golden tail, so he went to the spot where his friends liked to be.
Hey guys, how's it going? Yay! You look just like us now!
That night, Pico couldn't sleep. He was thinking about all the people he met, helped, and how it was okay to be different in the inside, even if you look like everybody else, even if you look like everybody else in the outside. He learned that everyone is special in their own way because of their own dreams, experiences, and memories. The end. Yay, fish party!